guys, I'm Mason Sauce, and today I'm going to unbox a device that could totally add a little sauce to your life. In this video, we will be unboxing the Mokushi Shiatsu back, shoulder, and neck massager with heat. Wait, hold up. Did I just hear you say, hurry up and unbox it? Say no more! Right here we have the heat button. So on the strength button, there are 3 different strength levels, and every time you click on the strength button, the strength level changes. Right here we have the reverse button, and pretty much every time you click on the reverse button, the massager spins the other direction. But regardless, every minute, it auto reverses. And of course we got the power button. Guys, I'm so excited right now. I can't think. I just want to try this out. Let's get right to it. Oh, I'm just wondering how it feels like. I'm really curious. So I'm assuming, put your hand through it. It goes right here. You have to put it on your neck like that. Just turn it on button right here. Oh, that feels good. Oh, it's getting my neck. Like, it's kind of hard. It's kind of tight. The more you press down, I can't talk. So there's a heat button. I'm gonna turn this on. Dang, it's pushing hard. So this product reverses, auto reverses every minute, so it's really cool. Pop my back a little bit. I can just feel how intense it is, guys. This is insane. Alright guys, so you can actually adjust how you want to do it. Like right now it's massaging my neck. If I want, I can bring it down to my back. And it feels really good, 100%. I have no problem with it. I can feel the intensity, it's really nice. And I can also lower it down. Oh, that's the best feeling. And if you guys want, you can lower it all the way to like your lower back right here. When this product is massaging your lower back, there's no need to put your hands in here because you're already leaning against the chair and it feels great. To be quite honest, I was a little skeptical when I first got this product. But after using it for only a few hours, I have to tell you that I'm totally in love with this, and I feel like it has definitely added some sauce to my life. For $49.99, I think this product is a great buy, and I highly recommend you guys to go on Amazon and buy this product. So do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you already haven't, please make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and smash that like button. And I'll see you next time. Peace. I'm Mason Sauce. And oh yeah, this product is amazing.
Let's get back to the shot.
Leave me alone, bro.
Come on, we gotta get back to the shot.
No. I'm in love with this.